Last call. Going once, going twice. We're going to the castle. Free ride. Keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, and children inside the vehicle at all times. Please remain seated for the entire journey. Supervise your children. However, we know who's in charge. So how's school life going for you?
All good.
Are you keeping up?
I hope so.
I hope so. My daughter's back in school to be a nurse, and she's just barely making it. She loves autopsies, though.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know.
That's a lot.
It really is. I like the way they have the names on the windows.
Yeah. What is your favorite name? Or favorite tribute?
Van, the guy who was part of Walt Disney's opening training team. I had heard him speak at, I believe it was Orange Coast College. And for the life of me right now, I can't remember his last name. Look, Van France?
Yep.
It's around here, there it is. Van Arsdale, France, right up there.
Wow.
Because he explained that we're making magic. So how do we sell air? It has to be something that it's untangible.
That one's my favorite.
Which one?
Mr. Dominguez.
Oh yes. Have you been to the palm tree?
Of course.
Yes. You can see it on Google Earth. Lori Dominguez is still in charge of our Disney Look. She's our Disney Look rep.
Really?
Yes. Amazingly. So I have this recurring nightmare where I wake up and I'm just driving and I'm going around and around and I'm being followed by a horse. Just kidding.
It's crazy. I'll do that next.
Hi guys. What's fun is I wanted to do this since I was a kid.
That's awesome.
It really is. I did my teaching. I'd come here every once in a while during the summer.
Are you from this area?
Right around the corner, Westminster. Sound of fireworks. Hi, Julian. Thank you. Final destination. Thank you very much for riding with me. Thank you. Have a great day.